1377 Austin. Gonna go over some of our repair items. Caveat I need to throw out there, I'm not licensed to inspect or verify anything, but this is what they have set up on the furnace. It's definitely different than it was. I think those are the old filters. You know, these are the same covers, so I don't know if that is an issue. But they've tweaked it at minimum. This goes out. I mean, it looks like they started cutting a little high. Didn't realize maybe that square plate was going to be sitting or something. But to show you where it is outside. See back in there. Goes inside. Just remember there's a air intake right there. Alright, next on the list is sprinkler system. I have not tried that. I will probably wait for you guys before we look at that on Thursday. Cellar to have electrical panel properly covered. Sure, upstairs bathroom GFC is grounded. Cellar to fix multiple outlets for reverse polarity. So I just checked the two downstairs rooms. I can't remember which ones these were reversed. These ones appear to be good. However, they are mounted upside down, but they have the two lights on all of these that I noticed downstairs in the bedrooms. Moving upstairs, I'll show you the bathroom. You know, you got two lights there, and the two lights there. Trips it. I believe that's functioning, and I'll go show you the electrical panel. At least have a cover on it. Again, not qualified to tell you any more than that, but I can show you that at least it is mounted, and you do have some of your breakers out there. One thing, small thing that I just forgot to mention while I was in the furnace room, I noticed they did paint this room compared to when you guys last saw it. Besides, behind there. Just wanted to point that out. Next on the list is that was the dryer exhaust. You know, that's right there. Microwave to be properly mounted. I'll go show you that. They got it nearly as flush as possible. And missing sheetrock and garage. Forgot to look for that. So we'll go show you the microwave. So obviously hanging, and then looking at the screws. And I'll show you the sheetrock in the garage. So just a piece up there. And I did not look under the sink. We didn't specifically ask them for fixing that. And I don't know if I'll be able to notice on it or not. But at least show you so you can look here. Alright, I'll get this uploaded and sent to you guys.